Your mom said you weren't sure what to do, so I'm going to show you. Your login is cpeters271. Your password is forgot. You click Haley, you enter your secret word, which is CAT. We're going to click on math. It's already on 8th grade. All of this is what needs to be finished by May 30th. Most of it you've already learned, and so I was hoping it would be easy, and looks like you haven't done any. We were supposed to do 16 a week. And then you click on language arts. It's already on 8th grade. We have quite a few done here, which is awesome. I need all of these to be 70 or above. All the way down. Science is the only one that's different. Click on Oklahoma Standards, 8th grade, Science, and those are the only ones that are due. So it looks like you've already done quite a lot. You don't have that much to do at all in science, and that's great. But that is what you are supposed to be working on, and that is what is due May 30th so that you can become a 9th grader, honey.